Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to send eye-catching newsletters without complicated design tools, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you how to create a stunning Mailerlite newsletter right inside Canva and connect it seamlessly to your Mailerlite account. Whether you're running a business, promoting a blog, or just sharing updates with your audience, this process is simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. Let's jump in, open Canva, and find the right template. First, head over to canva.com and log in or create a free account. In the search bar at the top, type newsletter and press enter. From the results, click Newsletter Email to see designs that are optimized for email. Scroll through the options and pick a template you love. If you're on the free plan, make sure to choose one that's marked as free, unless you have Canva Pro. Click Customize this template to open it in the Canva editor. Customize your newsletter design. Now the fun part, making it yours. Replace the placeholder text with your own headlines, updates, or announcements. Adjust the fonts and colors to match your brand. Drag and drop images or upload your own for a personal touch. Keep readability in mind. Use clear fonts and plenty of white space so your readers stay engaged. Remember, this is a newsletter, so balance visuals with concise text. Prepare for Mailerlite. Once your design looks perfect, click the Share button in the top right corner of Canva. Choose See All to explore integrations. In the search bar, type Mailerlite and select it. Click Connect, then sign into your Mailerlite account and grant the permissions Canva requests. If for any reason the connection doesn't work right away, double check that your Mailerlite account is active and that you're using the correct login details. Send or schedule your newsletter. After the connection is complete, your design is ready to be sent straight to your Mailerlite campaigns. From there, you can add subscriber lists, schedule the send time, or run a quick test email to yourself to make sure everything displays perfectly. And that's it. You've just designed a professional newsletter in Canva and linked it directly to Mailerlite, all in a matter of minutes. Now you can keep your audience updated with beautiful branded emails every time. If you found this guide helpful, give it a like, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what type of newsletters you're creating next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.